Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Our app allows you to set vendor code into products range, and vendor code is automatically loaded based on selection vendor into purchase screen. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module, the product vendor code. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase, go to products, and go to anyone like a desk pad and see here this purchase. Now add vendor like a Brandon Freeman and add code 1234. Set quantity 10 and price is 100. Let's save. Now go to orders, create new and select the same vendor Brandon Freeman. Let's save and add product desk pad. So see here this product in display with code. Thank you.